SWD Freezone. Thailand is considered to be major strategic point of the AEC countries and is accepted as the hub in accessing the countries in this region. As a result, driving Thailand's economic growth, both in import and export, which is considerably significant to support international business connected to Thailand. There is need to have the special free zone to promote both international, commercial business and industrial manufacturing business. We are one of the free zones that meets every business requirement, supports your business growth, and offers tax privileges conveniently promoting every business is the SWD Freezone, which is the only free zone in the special economic zone of the Maptaput industrial estate, suitable for industrial business together with commercial business, all in a one-stop service. SWD Freezone has large and flexible areas for the tax-free zone, large commercial warehouses, 17,500 square meters, outdoor cargo areas, 6,500 square meters, fabrication and manufacturing factories, 12,000 square meters, future warehouse areas, 18,000 square meters. SWD Freezone offers various one-stop services to support numerous business opportunities. The services are as follows: international fabrication, modification, and manufacturing, full technical and business support for fabrication and manufacturing, resting areas for BOI preparation, BOI services and consultation, 24 hours service to support your business. Tax privileges for renting in the SWD Freezone warehouse area will be very beneficial to all business groups. 1. Free trade warehouses as if being outside of the Thailand territory. 2. Supporting preparation for BOI. 3. Supporting the Petroleum Act. 4. Exemption from the standard control of the Thailand Industrial Standards Institute or TISI. 5. Exemption from the standard control of the Food and Drug Administration or FDA. The SWD Freezone also offers fully equipped facilities: 2-ton hand pallet trucks or hand lifts, 7-ton hydraulic docking ramps, 50-ton mobile gantry cranes, 1.5-ton and 3-ton forklifts, 5-ton multiply 15-meter overhead cranes, 1.5-ton hand stackers, complete set of fabrication machinery and equipment. Due to its excellent location, the SWD Freezone can conveniently connect your business to many international ports and the One Belt One Road project. Suvarnabhumi International Airport, 134 kilometers, 2 hours travel time. Lam Chabang Port, 48 kilometers, 48 minutes travel time. Utapao International Airport, 22 kilometers, 30 minutes traveling time. Maptaput Port, 12 kilometers, 20 minutes traveling time. Cambodia via Ban Krong Yai in Trat Province, 5 hours traveling time. Vientiane, Laos via Nong Khai Province, 8 hours traveling time. To promote business opportunities and develop business growth sustainably and enhance international trade, please have confidence and trust in the SWD Freezone to be part of your success with our professional services and numerous tax privileges for all types of business to increase more opportunities and the business growth at the global level. The SWD Freezone is for industrial and commercial manufacturing, fabricate your export. For more details, please call the hotline 097 051 7068 or visit our website at worldwideweb.swdfreezone.com.